Third Gen Glorious Cafe since 1948 here at Heritage House, 1927, Quezon Street, Tablea, Iloilo City. Presenting to you their Tablea and Coffee Bundle. Perfect kid pang regalo this bare months. Includes coffee, Tablea, coffee drip, and a mug. Ang first itaste testa is coffee from the roasted and ground seeds of coffee plants coated in chocolate from white and brown chocolates. Perfect pair for your hot chocolate, hot Tablea, or hot coffees. Grabe, dubi ako, wala ka taste test pa. So I'm trying this brown chocolate. This chocolate melts in your mouth and ma-feel mo gid ang roasted ground seeds of this mixture of sweet, chocolatey, and crunch. Next up is this cutie mug. Partner with native ground coffee drip. Quick and easy guide for the coffee lovers on the go. Spread these wings gently and put it in the rim of the cup. Tear the seal on the top and pour hot water and wait for few minutes. Para sa mahilig sa mga isog na kape, ang native coffee drip ay perfect sa imo. Ang next taste test natin is local Tablea with mascovado sugar. Same process pa rin, just add hot water and mix. Perfect sa tag-ulan o sa mga chocolate lovers. Very rich ang Tablea essence and the mascovado sugar adds up more chocolatey feel for this drink. Namit man siya i-pair sa coffee. Next is local Tablea, 100% cacao, no added sugar. Mas darker ang color. And syempre, medyo curious ta kung ano ang 100% cacao. It has authentic and natural taste of 100% cacao and no sweetness at all. Just pure deliciousness. When it comes sa Tablea, I prefer the mascovado kasi mas na-enhance yung chocolatey feel. For the 100% cacao is more on the lighter side. When it comes sa coffee drip, I really love the native ground coffee. Faint yung taste niya for its black coffee. And overall, it's authentic and it's enjoyable. Thank you so much, Third Gen Glorious Cafe, for this wonderful experience. And thank you for watching. See you again for your next Tasters Reviews here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. I'm Drinking Nose. Bye!